Hey everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you how you can easily reply to a question in Quora application. So in order to begin, I'll open the Quora application. Once you're in the Quora application, you can click on this pencil icon right in the middle. And now you can see all the questions that are made for you. And now you can easily answer any questions. So let's say I want to answer to this question, so I'll click on answer. So maybe I'll type in rings and maybe bag, side bags. And now I can click on post. So that's how we can easily post answer to any question in Core application. So that's it for today's video. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.